Hi everybody, it's Ann and welcome back to the Blog Spot 40. Today we're going to talk about Jussie Smollett's October 22nd court date. And I've put here the docket, which is the documents that were filed with the court. Where this red arrow is, you can see that it was last updated on November 6th. And under that, the judge is Judge Kendall. And under that, the first date that he filed anything with the federal court was July 3rd. Okay, now let's go down to the bottom here where it says docket number, which is number 1, and it was filed on July 3rd. It's a notice of removal from Circuit Court, Cook County, and it was filed by Jussie. I'm going to stop right there, and I just want to say that even though Jussie filed this to have the city's complaint removed from Circuit Court, the Circuit Court case is still going on because the Circuit Court is the court that appointed the special prosecutor, Dan Webb. So right now he's got 2 cases going on. Now I've put up here the notice of removal, which says that Jussie hereby gives notice of removal of this civil action from the Circuit Court of Cook County, Illinois, Law Division to the United States Court for the Northern District of Illinois. And what I'm going to say about that is when it's called civil or it's called state court, that's all the Circuit Court. When it's called United States District Court for the Northern District, they're talking about federal court. Jussie's lawyers had this case removed from the civil/state/circuit court to the federal court because Jussie was actually a resident of California. He wasn't a resident at the time of the court filing of Chicago, Illinois. He was just there because he was filming Empire. Now we go back to the document which has all the court filings on it. So we go to number 14, which was filed on August 5th, and it's a motion to dismiss for failure to state a claim. And that's Jussie who filed that. Basically what that's saying is Jussie is trying to dismiss the city's complaint. Okay, now let's go down to number 17, which was filed on August 12th. Let's go down to the 3rd line, which says status hearing set for August 20th. The court canceled that court date and rescheduled it to on the 2nd line, like in the middle there, for October 22nd at 9 o'clock a.m. And on the same 2nd line, the response due by August 26th, that would be the city's response. And then next to that, the reply due by September 3rd would be Jussie's reply due to the city's response. Then we go back to the document filing, which is document number 25, and it was filed on October 22nd. And I've underlined it in red, which says Jussie Smollett's motion to dismiss the city's complaint. And that 14 is just document number 14 is denied. So the judge basically denied Jussie's motion to throw out the city's complaint. Now this is a screenshot of the memorandum, opinion, and order. And this is the judge's order. This is what she said on October 22nd about dismissing the city's complaint. And this is the ending of that order by the judge. As you can see, it says conclusion at the top. And you can read that later on. And I'll just continue to where the judge says her ruling in the case is. And ruling just means her take on the case, how she's going to handle it. As you can see here, this order from the judge is 18 pages long. But then you go to the paragraph, it says, Smollett's motion to dismiss the city's complaint is denied. So she's saying, no, we're going to go through with this. We're going to take this to trial. And you can see it was dated October 22nd. And then we go back to the document where all the documents have been filed with the court. And number 26, on November 4th, Jussie filed another motion with the court to extend time to respond to complaint. And it says right there, miscellaneous relief. He's just trying to go at getting the city's complaint dismissed another way. Then on number 27, which was filed on November 4th, Jussie's attorneys set a date for another hearing on November 12th, which is actually Tuesday, tomorrow, at 9:00 a.m. Then number 28, which was filed on November 6th, it says order on motion for miscellaneous relief. Whenever it says order, that is coming from the judge. So it seems like she may have said what she wanted to say already about Jussie filing number 26 above. But I have to wait to get that one. But I'm going to let you know on November 12th what happens with this case. Before I get off here, I just want to let you know that I've been following this case and I'm putting it on this platform so you can see what's going on with it too. So some things I may post may be a little old just to keep you caught up with what's going on. I have plenty more stuff to post here about Jussie that you may not know. My other YouTube channel was suspended, so I'm redoing all this stuff on this new channel. Okay, that's going to do it for me. Thank you for stopping by the channel. Please like the video, share the video, post a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you soon with more Jussie Smollett news. Bye.